Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to enable ransomware protection in Windows 10. Click Start, Settings. Click Update and Security. Click Windows Security. Click Windows Security. Click Virus and Threat Protection. Click Manage Ransomware Protection. Turn on Controlled Folder Access. Click Yes to continue. Click Protected Folders. Click Yes to continue. Click Add a protected folder. Folder is added successfully. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.